afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are now going to show you how to set up the waterproof cover on the MORZH tent correctly. After we have installed the elastic bands on each side of the tent, we can now fix the corners. There are eyelets on the corners. We will fix them with ties. Remove the corner, take the rope, tie it, and then pull it through the hole. Then fix the rope to the back, which is located in the corner of the tent. This way you can put the waterproof cover on the MORZH tent.